why this gun doesn't work. I think I shot Hurt already.
Nathan, you go!
Got some very nice boring gameplay here.
Hey Dylan, are you hit? Dylan! Where the hell is he? Oh, wow. Nobody even close. I don't think it's raining.
Dylan, I'm out.
You have a speed loader?
Yeah, I just have the loader.
Epic transaction here. We got a beast mode ghillie sniper here with no pants on.
Yeah, Will, get Josh and get Josh come over here.
We got a sniper with no pants on.
Yeah. I popped him right in the face.
Tyler's the last one to get this going.
Go back in, go back in, go back in.
I really hope I don't get shot right here.
I used like 3 clips.
That was
I kept reloading.
We're going back and forth over there.
Did I come close to you over there? What? I was actually close to you when you were over there?
Yeah, super close. They were hitting all the branches and bouncing everywhere.
Yeah.
Someone tapped me in the forehead and the lip.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that your no lip?
I have no idea.
Josh shot me. Only time I got shot. He shot me like 4 times.
You're the only one that everywhere sent me.
Oh.
We got the pantsless sniper.